Hi there, welcome to Houston DIY. My name's Ben. In this video we're checking out these 4K streaming webcams from EMEET. Okay, so we've been sent these two streaming webcams from EMEET. So these are 4K webcams, 1080p 60 frames per second or 4K at 30 frames per second. So these are some cool looking smart cameras, some streaming web cameras. Specifically, I missed out the model, sorry, this is the EMEET SmartCam S800. This is quite a new product from EMEET, one of their newest products, and it's a 4K webcam. This adds to their lineup of great products that they have. What EMEET have done, they've sent us two. So we're going to review one of them, open this one, and we'll be checking this one out and doing a long-term review. The other one will be a giveaway to one lucky winner watching this video. We'll cover the giveaway details later in the video though, so we'll pop that to one side. Okay, so what we'll do in this video, we'll unbox this device, check it out, see what the build quality is like. We'll set it up, we'll try it out with a laptop, we'll do some video recording on a laptop, maybe a test Teams call, Microsoft Teams call using it. We'll try that and see what that looks like. And then we'll do a bit of a summary at the end, and then we'll confirm the giveaway details too. So first thing, on the table, unbox this bad boy and see what it's like. Okay, so I took the tape off this one. Let's get inside and have a look at the actual camera first of all. We'll see what we get with it as well. So there's everything inside. There's the camera protected in some cardboard. Okay, and there we have it. So it's a nice large camera body. You can see that on there on the actual stand. It's one of those hook type stands that hooks over the top of a monitor or a laptop screen and then balances itself. That's quite commonplace. This one is this is quite unique, I think, how it rotates. You can change the angle of it, which I guess if you've got your screen positioned one way but you want to just slightly angle the camera the other way, that is really, really good, to be fair. So that's one thing. It's also got a 1/4 inch, is it 1/4 inch? But it's got the attachment there for like a tripod or something similar just there at the bottom, which is great. So you could use this on a tripod or on a smaller, maybe handheld tripod. So that's the camera. What else do we get in here? That's just cardboard. There's another box with some accessories in. We'll see what we get. So it's literally just an instruction book. And then a very sturdy cable. So this is a nice thick cable, and I assume this will be for transferring obviously the 4K video from the camera over to your computer or PC or Mac. So it's a USB Type C to USB Type A. The USB Type C, I assume, yep, just goes in the back of the camera there, just like that. And obviously you can plug that in. It's quite a long cable, well over 1 meter, so that's quite good as well. Some cables that come with these type of things can be quite short, but yeah, that feels like a nice thick cable, but that will be hopefully for transferring the 4K video. So one thing just to notice straight away, there is a physical kind of lens cover on there. So there's a twist mechanism. If I do it closer to this camera perhaps, there's a twist, and that opens and closes the actual lens inside of there. Try on that one. Like so. So that's good from a privacy perspective, that it's not software video mute, it's actually a physical lens cover going over there. So it says on there as well, 4K UHD, 4x zoom. So yeah, that's the actual camera body itself. So I think what we need to do now, we'll get this connected up to my laptop. We'll connect it onto the camera application. I'll film a video on there so you can see the quality of the video. We'll put that actually in this video. And then we'll maybe do a Teams call, Microsoft Teams call. Or we'll go into the team settings anyway and see make sure it can detect the camera in there. There's no reason why it shouldn't, but we will show that working. And then we'll come back and do a quick summary. So let me get my laptop, let me get connected up, and we'll give it a go. Okay, so I've got my laptop here. I'm going to try and hook this onto the back of the laptop now. Sometimes the laptop struggles with the weight of things, but let's see if it works. There we go, so it kind of works. Oh, that's absolutely fine. There's a lot of adjustment there you can make with the different angles of the actual stand on the back. So loads of different things you can do there to get it right on your particular screen. But that seems fine. If I dip it back too far, no, it seems okay. So that's fine. So what we'll do, let me jump into the camera application on the actual PC. And then we should be able to hopefully choose the camera. What I need to do first though, which I realise I've not done, is actually plug it into the laptop. So USB Type A into there, the laptop's detected the camera, which is great. Okay, so what we'll do now, let me go into the camera application and let's just see if I can choose the camera itself. So if I just tilt that slightly, you should be able to see on this camera over here, pointing at the laptop itself. Okay, so I've got the camera down there on my keyboard. That's not the camera I want. So if I switch camera there, hopefully it'll switch to this one. So you can see the light has now come on, and I can see straight away the quality looks great on there. Compared to my internal laptop camera, it's miles better. So what we'll do, let me just get rid of a few things on the screen here, and then we'll actually, we'll just record a video straight onto the actual laptop. So what I'll do is I'll record a video and I'll add it into this video, just with the audio in there as well. So let me check the settings first of all. Right, so I've adjusted the actual camera settings in the camera application on Windows to 4K. So that should now record in 4K. So that's using the full capability of the camera lens itself. So I'm just going to simply record some video and then we'll overlay it into this video. Okay, so we're recording now on the actual laptop using the actual EMEET SmartCam S800. Hopefully the quality is looking good coming through onto the video itself. If I just turn that, you can obviously see it changing the lighting conditions, seems to be coping quite well. Turn it that way where it's a bit darker, you can see my camera, and then back to me there. So hopefully, I won't obviously know until we actually put this into the video, but it's recording, the quality looks good locally. Let's see what the quality is like in the video. Okay, there we've shown the actual video footage captured using the EMEET cam there. I just want to show one other thing before we finish this section. So this is Microsoft Teams loaded there, and it's actually showing the preview of the camera itself. Just to show you, you can select it as an input source for your camera in Microsoft Teams. It does have built-in microphone as well, so I've got that selected as a built-in as the internal microphone for Teams as well. So you can use this for conferencing, video conferencing with Zoom, Microsoft Teams, things like that. Okay, so it's really good for things like Teams meetings, Zoom meetings, etc. 4K capable with 30 frames per second, and then drop down to 1080p for the 60 frames per second. It's got autofocus built into the camera, so that'll be great again in Teams meetings. Almost like a natural blur in the background there with the autofocus of the face. Great in low light conditions as well. So overall, a really great camera for things like Microsoft Teams meetings, video conferencing, stuff like that. EMEET do a range of cameras, and the cameras meet different needs such as conferencing, room conferencing, things like that. And this is exactly the same, a great capable camera for streaming, for Microsoft Teams meetings, for taking video locally on a laptop, really good. And the fact that you can obviously mount it to a tripod means you can do even more with it. So you can have a local tripod, maybe even use it in a small conference room. It could be really good for that, especially with having a built-in microphone as well. So really great camera, really good that it just works out of the box, plug and play into the PC, no problems at all. Okay, so we're all done now in terms of the unboxing, review, etc. of the EMEET S800. Great camera. I was actually thinking it reminded me of another camera. I don't know if anyone out there has got any experience with Cisco or Tandberg cameras, but this kind of looks like the top off an EX90, Cisco EX90, where they have the circular camera, and the same on the DX80. It even had the twist bit on the end to actually put the lens cover on as well. So yeah, so a great looking design, nice and simple, quite unique looking as well. There's not many USB cameras out there that have got that tubular look, so they're unique. USB Type-C, 4K, brilliant. So the most important part of the video, maybe for some people out there, is the giveaway. So we will be giving one of these cameras away. I've got it all boxed up there, sealed, etc., ready to give away to one lucky winner. So to enter the giveaway, really simple. All you've got to do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below on this YouTube video. So the comment will act as your entry into the actual giveaway, and then we'll run this into July. I'll put the closing date below in the description, but we'll run this into July, and we'll announce a winner on YouTube via a YouTube live video. So we'll draw this winner live. So please share the video with friends and family, get more people involved in the giveaway. Or got family members, it just increases your chance of winning the camera. Okay, hopefully you've liked the video. If so, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. Let me know in the comment section why. Any questions about the camera, about the setup, anything like that, drop it in the comment section. That will act towards your giveaway entry, so be careful there. If you want to follow the Houston DIY channel for more product reviews, tech reviews, giveaways, home DIY projects, and much, much more, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.